I'm with Mohammad, who's a research scientist with Bionema.
Yeah,
and
right.
I'm going to read this because I can't hope to remember it. Moved on here. What the role of organic carbon in seaweed derivatives in RootVita SP for turf health? Can you tell me a little bit about that,
Yeah,
Mohammad?
RootVita contained an organic carbon and seaweed derivatives as well. These will help with the root development with the overall plant health. These elements are essential to boost the microbial growth. It helps the microbes to grow well in the soil, and which will lead to more vibrant turf, which ultimately as well will reduce the cost of the turf maintenance to the manager.
And what are the challenges? I mean, knowing what needs to be done and the benefits of these particular materials, how do you get them into the product at the end of the day?
These, as I've mentioned, these elements are very, very essential for microbial growth. So if you apply the products to the soil without helping them to grow, ultimately these won't grow. So what we have done here in RootVita, we have combined the microbes with the prebiotics essential for these microbes to grow. Then this will be reflected on the crop health, which is the turfgrass health. You can see it more vibrant, more dense. The color as well is more greener.
Well, I'm glad you're involved in this, Mohammed, and not me, because it sounds far too complicated for my little brain. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.